My name is Benjamin Hara, and I would like to tell you how to use Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. So this is how Microsoft Publisher usually looks, unless you choose a different layout, like for example, a menu, brochure, banner, etc. So this is a blank page, and I'm going to show you how to use insert, the insert tab. And yeah, so let's start with the page. Page, of course, it just inserts another blank page, or you can duplicate it, or you can insert a page, a number of pages before the page, or it's just advanced options, I guess. Then catalog pages. Make another page, makes multiple pages over here. In this, you can add, I believe, or merge stuff in here. I don't really use this, so I don't know a lot about this, so you can't ask me much about this. Sorry, but I'm guessing you are able to put stuff in here, like objects, or read this in order to figure it out. Not me. And yeah. Okay, so let's go on to tables. So tables. So when you click on tables, the first thing that will show up is this. So this is like a shortcut table, and as you see, you can do two. As you see on the page over here, it shows what's going on over here, and yeah, you can make it up to 10 and 8 for shortcutting. But if you want this is how you would usually do it. Make your table, and it would do it for you. Okay, next thing we shall do is pictures. So for picture, you click on picture, and of course it picks a picture of anything that you have in your pictures folders, or any folder that has pictures, and you would put it on here, blank page. Then there's clip art. Clip art is sort of like pictures, but it's based off of Microsoft. So what happens is you get this, and these are basically, I guess, pictures that are from so-called Office.com. In other words, Microsoft, and you can do all media types, and you have selections and stuff. So the next is shapes. You have a variety of shapes to choose from, and what you can do is that you could let's do a square. What you would be able to do is just make a shape, and then you can do shadow effects to make it special, 3D, or that, I guess. And you can outline it with a border, and you can do all kinds of stuff, I guess. Yeah, you can put text in there, and a whole lot of stuff. So on to the next thing. It's picture placeholder. So basically what it is, you can change your shape of it, or what you want your frame to be like, over here. And once you're done with that, you make the size you want, and you click on the picture icon in the middle, and it goes to your pictures library, and you choose a photo, and you can either double click it, or you can click it once and press insert. People usually double click, which is much quicker. So now on to building blocks. So building blocks, it allows you to add stuff to your page, like headings, pull quotes, sidebars, and stories, apparently. And then There's also many more page parts, but they have their own selections for them, as in calendars, different stuff. You can go more calendars, and yes, then you can also do borders and accents, or frames, emphases, bars. You get it, right? You should. Then advertisements, where you can put your own advertisements, and I'm guessing the numbers, you can change what says in it. And I'm right. You can change what's inside of it if you want. So on to the next thing. The draw box. Draw text box. So draw text box. You draw your text box. You can still change the size if you like to anything. You can rotate it. And you just type in it. It's really small because it's at size 10. Okay, anyways, on to the next thing. Business and information. So, I'm guessing if I were to do that, it makes a text box, and what it does is that it puts whatever information you wanted and it puts it in the text box. Then there's word art. You click on one like I just did previously, and what you would do is that you would type in a text. What it would do, it would make the word art like that. Cool, right? Okay, another thing. Insert file. It allows you to insert file in a selected area on the sheet. Then there's date and time, but what I need is a text box or table to do so. Then I can insert an object as well. And objects are these. And then links. I'm guessing you put a bookmark in your writing, but since I have no writing, I won't be able to bookmark anything, which is pointless. And then we go, and then there's also the last thing in insert, which is header, footer, and page number. So header, it allows you to basically, it's meant for title, like the title pages, which is what people normally use it for, and it usually makes it bigger than the rest of the things. Well, text that are inside the text that are inside the page. So yeah, and you would obviously rotate like usual, change size of it. Most likely would want it in here, and yeah. Now I have a header. Yep. And then we shall go to the next one, footer. So footer is basically the opposite of header. It's a title, but it's on the bottom over here. As you see, it's on the bottom of the page instead of the top. And then the page number. So page number allows you to put the page number wherever you want, and it does it automatically for you, and it would show the page number, and you put it wherever you like, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right, etc. And yeah, that's all of insert. So now you know a little bit more publisher, and this should help you get to know publisher a bit more, and you might be able, well, not might be, well, nah, you'll be able to do more by yourself. And if you want more content like this, then check with me on my Word, Excel, Photoshop, and PowerPoint videos that I shall make next. Bye and keep publishing.